Welcome, here I've got TCL 25G and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on auto photo mode. Let's change it by using the settings bar and just simply going to the left to more. Here we get access to more modes of this camera and one of them is the slow motion. So let's pick it. Here we are. Now we can start recording this kind of video by tapping on this big button at the center. We can also change the speed of our slow motion by going to the right corner and picking this button. Now we are on 4, just one tap to change it to 8 and another tap to go back to 4, so we can pick between two speeds. Now let's stay for example on this one to show you how it works, and let me start recording. Now let's stop by tapping again on the shutter button to see the video. Let's move to the left one that follows us straight to the gallery. And now we can play it by tapping on the center. And this is how the slow motion video looks like at this device. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.